ओके टेल मी, अभी एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी विच वाज जब इंडिया क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाया, राइट? उस टाइम पे पूरे इंटरनेट पे कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी कि कोई एक गलत डिसीजन की वजह से हम बाहर हो गए. वाज इट रियल?
Yeah, horrible, man.
क्या था वो? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन?
The ball went out, miles out, and I was already a retired player then. I was watching the game. Oh. It broke my heart. We were 1-0 up against Asian champions. Qatar is an Asian champion, top side. We were 1-0 up. We were qualified for the last round. And the ball was out. The opponent team player dragged it and scored. I don't want to be controversial.
Wrong decision मतलब क्या था?
It was out. The ball was out.
Okay.
And why it was more controversial is because VAR, which is the video assistant referee, is everywhere now. उस मैच में नहीं था. और not सिर्फ उस मैच में, एशियन मैचेस में नहीं होते हैं वो. और जो रेफरी था, the line referee, third referee, I would say he couldn't see it. I'm not trying to blame कि उसने जानबूझ के किया है. Okay, because वो यहाँ था, अब मेली में यहाँ पे चीजें हुई हैं. He couldn't have seen it. But it was outrageous, man. It was so out. When the goal happened, trust me, for like 40 seconds, I was like, he will whistle. It'll be taken back. And I couldn't believe it. Because क्या होता है ना, because you're holding 1-0 against Qatar at Qatar, it's also very mental. Football at the end is a mental game. You're holding your fort, and if that doesn't happen, you would have 1-0 and you would have qualified. But because you consider that goal and mentally the boys, I saw the shoulders gone down. I was feeling so sad for them. And then we consider the second one. So then what happens is 2-1 हारे हैं, अगर वो गोल अलाउ भी नहीं होता, डिसअलाउ हो जाता, तो भी हम ड्रॉ ही हो जाता. ऐसा नहीं होता है. If you wouldn't have considered that, I'm not saying you would have won for sure, but to hold a 1-0 70 plus minute and then not getting that goal against you, which wasn't a goal of course. I spoke to the boys, man. I called them, they were, oh man, it was so sad. But then again, it's life. Sometimes things happen.